The goal of the 10-minute drills is to integrate something into our new normal way of riding. Integration can only be done through practice and repetition. That's why it's just one small drill each week. The drill may seem inconsequential and simple, but if you do it every day for 10 minutes, it will bring you more confidence. Here are some helpful tips to focus on this week. Remember, it's just 10 minutes a day to work on this one specific thing. Of course, you can practice anything else you want outside of these 10 minutes. But the objective here is to intentionally drop the bike with your feet on the boards and stay on the bike. And stay on the bike. For all of you guys and ladies that are doing it by yourself, what I did was I kind of planned this so I'm on an incline, so when I pick up my bike, I have a little bit of leverage, all right? So I'm just gonna put the bike on its side. Okay. So now what I want you to learn how to do is get yourself in the position of where you would be if you're gonna stay on the bike. Of course, it's hot as heck out today and my pants are sticking to me. But when you're on the bike and it comes to a slow speed stop on its side, you wanna be way up here on the tank, straddling it. My legs are super long, so this is easier for a shorter person. And your foot is on the board here, and you're holding on, so your elbow is bent, and this elbow is bent, because I'm literally counter sitting, because I want to land with my legs squeezing the tank tight and holding on so that I can just step off, okay? And then we're going to pick up the bike. So I had suggested moving the blanket before you pick up the bike. And we're going to get down low and we're going to walk the bike back. Hopefully I can get enough leverage to do this. Or I'll get my neighbor to help me. So this is how Robert tells us to pick the bike up. Maybe this will work better. So I'm going to just walk into the bike. Nope, that's not going to work either. This is why it's harder for a longer person, because I can't get underneath the bike and then lean back. And then get that kickstand down without throwing it the other way. Now, I suggest not doing that too many times because it's hard. The drill is not learning how to pick up your bike. The drill is overcoming the fear of dropping it. So we have to drop it and get it back up in order to drop it again in order to do this drill.
Think about this. What is it that screws up everybody's life? Fear is the number one thing that keeps people from doing what's necessary. Courage does not mean you're not afraid. Courage means you're afraid, but you do it anyway, right? It's a way of being in your body. And so I really want to recommend developing a simple daily discipline. It's like, I don't negotiate with myself. Let me count to 10, or maybe I'll do it tomorrow. That pattern of thinking is what destroys most people's lives and their dreams. You can settle for a life like most people have, or you can create your dreams, but to do it, you need to be able to push yourself. So you need to train yourself in little ways.
You know what? Wish we had an old tire. Let me use something different. I don't want to use this because it might hurt it. But that's where I'd put the tire. I have boxes and a rolled up moving mat. How's that? That's my neighbor. He thinks I'm crazy because they don't really subscribe to the whole practicing method. So on this side, I have a rolled up moving mat. And on this side, that box is too big. another rolled up moving mat. Oh, this is perfect. Okay, now that's what I'm talking about. All right, see that? Beautiful. So now I'm gonna drop the bike and stay on it in this position. So remember, this is the position we wanna be in. Way up here. I am on the horn of the seat. And this cheek is on nothing, and my leg is on the tank. Okay, so my knee is almost even with the front of the tank. That's how tall I am. And my foot is on the board. And I'm going to be turning and leaning. So I'm leaning this way, and the wheel is turned, right? And then we get over just a little too far, and the boards scrape. And it's our comfort level on where we can tolerate not sticking a foot out. But what we want to do is get ourselves where we're not going to stick our foot out. We're actually going to just let the bike tip over onto these mats and stay up here. Okay, now the key is staying up here on the tank and holding yourself forward like we practiced, okay? So now I'm gonna just let the bike drop while I do that. Now we know it's on pillows. I gotta get the kickstand up. Okay, now my mat's underneath, and the bike is going to fall on the mat on both sides. Okay? So this foot's up when we're riding. We're way up here on the tank. Okay, you gotta get that. We're leaning forward, so this shoulder is going towards this rearview mirror, but we're looking this way because we're turning. Okay? So as the bike starts to fall, I'm just gonna put my foot on the board and hang on. That's the thing you have to remember. You gotta hang on. Okay, so here we go. And even then, I hung on enough to not fall off. And that's really what we wanna do. Now, if I tried it again, I would wanna scoot myself over even more and hang on. So I'm actually way over here on the tank when it's sideways. So that's really what we're trying to do, is push off the board so that we're moving ourselves this way when the bike starts to fall that way. That way, when you are off, it just is a little tip. Okay? So now hopefully this is easier to get up. I'm gonna get this out of the way, because that's impossible. And now I'm gonna get myself where I can push the bike back up. That's way easier. Geez, I'm almost like a man. Ooh. Ooh. And then get the kickstand down. Okay? That's the drill. So since I was successful in putting the bike up, I'm gonna try again. Make sure my mats are in the right spot. And I'm gonna stay on the bike this time. I've worked so hard at this. Okay? Kickstand up. I need to rest a minute just so I have the strength to pick it up. It's not because I don't want to drop it again. It's because I don't want to leave it on the ground on its side for very long. So I'm going to wait until I have enough strength to pick it up again. So this is going to be my leg workout today, although I did do all my exercises already. So again, the objective of this drill is to stay on the bike and keep our feet on the boards, squeezing our legs on the tank and leaning forward when the bike drops, so that we don't fall off and we don't put our foot down. Okay, that's the objective. So my kickstand is up. My foot is on this board, covering the rear brake if you can. I'm so far forward, I can't really do that right now. You can start with a lower position right here. You just have to give yourself enough time to get the foot on the board. And when you're thinking about what I was doing was I was thinking about putting my foot on the board and keeping it there rather than holding on real tight, even though I said I'm going to hold on real tight. I need to actually use my left foot to leverage myself to get over here on the tank as the bike is falling. Now, from this standstill position, it is way harder to do than when you're actually doing slow speed maneuvers and you feel the bike tip and you're going to fall. The goal is to have it ingrained in you so that you just know you're going to keep your feet on the boards and hang on, because the bike will just come to a sliding stop and then you can step off. You do not have to fall from way up here over. You're going to be in a turn leaning, okay? So we're in a turn leaning and we're looking this way, okay? Now I've got to squeeze my legs. I can't squeeze my legs right away because I have a foot on the ground. But if I just let the bike drop and I try to stay up without putting my foot down, that's good too. Just stay up without putting your foot down. But if you can get your foot on the board, that's what you need to do, because you have to kind of push off of it to get over here and stay on this side and keep your feet on the boards with the legs squeezed tight, okay? So that's really what I want you to get used to doing. Okay, one more time. I'm gonna lift the bike, and I think I'm gonna get good at it this time. Yeah, see? Look at how many times it took me to get good at picking up my bike. Forward, grass, voila. Getting better at it. So that's the drill, guys. Video. Tell me how you feel, and let's do this. There will be a new drill coming out later this week. We'll have our check-in call on Thursday, and I will see you then. Message me all week if you need to. These work great, so that's what I will recommend in the future. We are going to fear our motorcycle less so we can enjoy the experience of motorcycling more. That's all, folks. And then we drive back into the garage. Smooth stop in the garage. Dismount.